What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I'm right here in front of a 1995 Toyota Supra with an upgraded Borg Warner S366 turbocharger, running on 24 PSI on E30 with upgraded front mount intercooler and a full 3-inch turbo back exhaust on a manual transmission. And we're going to be running up against a Mercedes AMG GT coupe with a catless downpipe and a 93 tune. Now both cars will be taking one passenger, so let's see how it goes. All right, guys, we're gonna do a 50 roll. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3! Oh, he's gaining. Woo! Wow. Man. All right, guys, we're gonna do it one more time at 50. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3! Super moves. All right, guys, we're done here. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.